The advanced graphene rotational slitting machine is revolutionizing the production efficiency of the graphene manufacturing industry. These innovative machines employ cutting-edge technology and precision engineering, changing the way graphene materials are processed and utilized. They achieve unparalleled precision cutting and are capable of operating at high speeds, improving production efficiency. The multifunctional design and sustainability features of these machines also bring about tremendous changes and innovative opportunities for the industry.